How to add landing pages from Canva to Wix website. For example, you can see a landing page that I created in Canva on my Wix website right here. I'll be showing you how to do that. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is Pages and Menu, and you're going to select New Page in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to select Blank Page from the top left hand corner, and you're going to give the page a name. So for example, I will call it Test. Then you're going to select Done. Then what I want you to do next is go into Canva, and you're going to select the landing page that you have edited or created, better yet, and you're going to tap on Share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on See All, and you're going to select Embed. Then you're going to copy the HTML code. After you have copied the code, you're going to go back into Wix, tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, which is Add Elements, and you're going to select Embed Code, and you're going to select Embed HTML. After doing that, you're going to paste in the HTML code. Then you're going to tap on Apply, and you're going to close this box. And what I recommend you do next, you're going to tap on the icon that says Stretch. Then you'll toggle on Stretch the full width. After toggling on Stretch the full width, you can simply carry the landing page higher. Then you're going to adjust it by simply pulling down. And depending on how big the landing page is, you'll need to adjust the section by simply pulling along the section right here. And you'll simply adjust your landing page by pulling it down, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Preview in the top right hand corner, and you can see how it looks right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.